Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add custom fonts to your iPhone device. Now, as you can see, if we go here to settings, we can see that we actually don't have any option to change our fonts. If we go to display and brightness, we can see that we can only change text size, right? So we can't actually change the font. So what we will have to do is we'll have to go here and we'll have to search for fonts. So we go here, fonts. And then as you can see, click on this here and we'll have to basically install this application. Now, after installing this application, what you will have to do is you will have to go back and you will have to go to settings. And then on settings, make sure to go to keyboard settings. So go to keyboard here and make sure to basically go to the keyboard and enable fonts. Now, when you install your font application, you will be able to enable that application right here. So just click enable fonts. And then once you enable fonts, once you go and send a message, you will be able to send a custom font or custom formatted message with different kind of fonts. So if I go here to my messages, right, I can go into my messages and I can send basically with that font application, I can send messages with different fonts. So that's pretty much the only way how to change your font on iPhone. Again, this is the only way to do it. If you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.